Hello and welcome to today's session of Breathwork. Today we will be practicing the famous Wim Hof breathing technique. If you've never tried it before, this will be a great opportunity to learn to elevate your energy and improve your stress resilience through breathwork. Today's breathwork session will consist of a small awareness segment where we will prepare ourselves for the main part by connecting to our breath, following the main part where we will practice 4 rounds of the Wim Hof breathing technique. One round consists of cyclic hyperventilation, followed by a breath hold on empty lungs, followed by a recovery breath hold on full lungs for 15 seconds. If you're new to the practice, I highly recommend doing it laying down, as it will make it easier to relax, which is very important because we will be putting our bodies under stress. What's more important is that you stay as mindful as you can and simply follow my instructions. Before we begin, I'd like you to know that we will be training our body with stress resilience. You see, stress is just a neurochemical state of your body, which means that your body cannot tell the difference if your boss is yelling at you or you are suffocating. This technique can also reduce stress, anxiety, elevate your mood and energy. It is important that you know this information, as simply knowing information can change how your body responds to certain stimuli. So with that in mind, let's proceed to the breathwork. Slowly, gently, close your eyes. Become aware of your breath. Observe it for a few cycles. Don't try to change it. Observe your mind, what thoughts, troubles, or emotions are present. Simply become aware of them without engaging, and try to resolve to set them aside for the next few minutes. We will now start with round 1 of the main part. Inhale deeply through your nose and let the air out. Don't blow it out. Imagine letting a sigh out. Continue breathing in this way. As you breathe, keep one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Both of your hands should move simultaneously. Imagine that there's a cylinder in your torso. It should expand to all sides equally. Deeply in and let it go. Pay attention to your neck and shoulders being relaxed, especially towards the end of the inhales, as you're trying to get that last bit of air in. If you're feeling a little lightheaded, you can always slow down the pace. Remember, you are in control. Last 3. And hold. As you hold your breath, try to relax and simply observe the sensations you're feeling. Do not react to them, simply observe. Can you feel the beat of your heart? Can you feel your body's temperature changing? Simply observe until I give the cue or you feel like you need to inhale. Breathe fully in and hold it for 15 seconds. And let it out. Let's start with the second round. As you breathe in, you can try to slightly tuck in your belly. This can sometimes make it easier to have a full inhale. Try to establish a connection between your out breath and your in breath, as if drawing a circle. Your breaths should feel like a circular motion. Try to make your in-breath cycle as smooth as you can, to where there is no distinction between going in and going out. Your in-breath and your out-breath should feel like a wave. Last 5. One long exhale. Last one. And hold. Try to let go of any tension. Simply observe. This is how your body feels under stress. Try to notice any subtle sensations. Find enjoyment in better understanding your body. Can you feel each and every one of your fingers? Can you feel the beat of your heart? Can you feel it slowing down? Connect with it and stay there until I give the cue where you feel like you need to breathe in. Fully in and hold for 15. Let it go. Let's move on to the third round. Keep your attention on being relaxed and try to make your breath cycle smoother and smoother. Let's gently increase the pace, though remember, if you feel like it is too much for you, simply slow it down. This is not a competition, you are in full control. Feel your inner fire energizing your body. And hold. Ease into it. Use this opportunity to get to know your body better. Try to let go of any residual tension. Can you feel the blood running through your veins? If not, imagine it. Imagine feeling the blood running through your veins. Your heartbeat. Can you feel it? Imagine how each beat sends a wave of blood through your veins in your entire body. Stay there until I give the cue or you feel like you need to inhale. Fully in and hold for 15. Let it go. Let's proceed to the last round. Let's keep picking up the pace. But stay mindful. Do not tense up. Do not sacrifice quality for speed. Your body should stay relaxed. Feel the energy of your breath firing you up. Last 5, unleash your inner fire. One long exhale. Last one. And hold. Try to stay calm. Remember, any new sensations you're feeling are completely normal. Try to note, what are you feeling? Warmness, coolness, tingling? Observe. Simply observe. Stay there until I give the cue or you feel like you need to breathe in. Breathe fully in and hold for 15. Let it go. Let your breathing normalize. Keep your eyes closed for now and observe your body. Don't just rush back into your day. Do both of your legs feel the same weight? Does your mind feel calmer? Spend a few seconds here observing. If you feel like you want to spend some more time here, feel free to pause the video. Otherwise, gently, slowly open your eyes. And that is it for today's breathwork session. Hopefully you were able to find a moment of mindfulness with me here today. Any feedback, as always, is highly appreciated in the comment section, as it helps me improve upon my content. Thank you all so very much for being with me. Stay mindful, and I hope to see you in the next one.